I need a lover to keep me sane, pull me from hell, bring me back again. Play me the classics, something romantic, giving my all when I don't even have it. I always dreamed of a solemn face, someone who feels like a holiday. But now I'm in pieces, barely believing, starting to think that I've lost all fear. You came out the blue on a rainy night, no lie, I'll tell you how I almost died, while you're bringing me back to life. I just wanna live in this world forever, 'cause I'm afraid that living couldn't get any better. Started giving up on the world forever, till you gave up heaven so we could be together. Oh, my angel, angel, baby, angel. You're my angel, baby, baby, you're my angel, angel, baby. I fall in love with the little things, counting the times.
So yung pambagandang umaga mga kaoras. Araw po ng linggo ngayon, alas 9:30 na po ng umaga. Good morning mga kaoras. Galing na po tayo ng Robinson Place, Manila. Naghatid tayo. Pauwi na po tayo ngayon. Araw ng linggo ngayon po mga kaoras. Good morning. Dito na tayo sa Calao. Ito ba init? Good morning mga kaoras. Daran po tayo ng Umping. Ikutan ulit natin ang Umping Street. Tingnan natin ang nangyayari sa kalsadahan ng Umping. Yan po mga kaoras.
separate world, but it's no sacrifice, no sacrifice, it's no sacrifice at all. Get your misunderstanding after the fact. Sensitivity builds every prison. In the final act, we lose direction. No stone unturned.
Good morning mga kaorag, dito na tayo sa Kingpin Paredes. Ayan.
When jealousy burns,
Araw po ngayon ng linggo. Tingnan natin ganap dito ngayon. Kingpin Paredes Street, Binondo. Ayan, ayan po ulit yung simbahan ng Tondo pag diniretso mo to. As usual ulit mga kaorag, busy ang lugar na to araw-araw kahit linggo. So yun po, traffic. Meron tayong Meralco Avenue. Uy, ito pa ulit, Binondo Bites. Ang dami lang pila dito mga kaorag. Halos araw-araw po. Lalo na pag linggo, meron pa rin. Uy, camera 360. Shout out. Shout out po mga kaurag. Lilik po pala sila dyan. Dito po tayo lilik po sa may pagbaba ng tulay. Diretso po tayo ng Benavides. Kasi pag diniretso natin yan, umping na po Santa Cruz. Benavides po tayo. Hindi ganun matraffic yan. Pag nakalagpas tayo dito, hayahay ng kalsada mga kaurag. Marami pong tao ngayon. Ito pa isa sa pinipilahan nila. Ayan. Shout out. Shout out po mga kaurag. Shout out
I give thanks for this life that we're living, 'cause it could be gone in an instant. The days go by with the blink of an eye, so don't take anything for granted. And I'm really wanna know where we go when we die, but I don't wanna keep asking. 'Cause another day you'll come around when I'm no longer alive, but when I was just living, oh, taking it day by day, don't really know what I'm doing. No, but I know where I wanna be, so I'ma keep on pushing to the victory. Paying my dues and I'm learning my lessons. This life is such a blessing, yeah. This life is such a
supposed to